Morning. Today we are going to see how to um, customize the search operations. Suppose I want to customize the search operations for the personal spotlight. So we go to the my kind groups, the, then personal spotlight. I want to configure the search criteria. So we have so many business title is there, assignment status is there. So I want to disable this business title or assignment status. So what we'll do, we'll go to we'll go to again, we'll go to icon groups. Then we have, suppose show more. We'll get a search view. Go to search views. Then we go down. We get personal spotlight. We have keyword search is there. Okay. So go to filters. I don't want this field. I don't want to show this field. Just click on that. Uncheck that. Save it. Then if we go to that field will gone. Okay. Suppose I want again show that thing. Save it. We again search for that. It's come back. So you want to customize the anything like that. We can use this concept based on our requirements. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this, how to configure such criteria, please let me know on YouTube comment section so that I can get back to you. Thank you. So please subscribe if you like my videos. Okay. Thank you.